All right, welcome everyone. Four box break of 2015 Diamond Kings baseball. This eBay break ended today, 5/12. These are the names and the teams. All right. It is 10:31 p.m. Tuesday, May 12th. All right, guys. Good luck. All cards ship. All right. I don't keep anything, so all the base go out and everything else. All right. I believe there are 12 packs. First time I'm opening this up, so bear with me. All right, let's go with pack number one. Good luck. Evan Gaddis, got David Wright, Lefty O'Doul, Justin Upton, Todd Frazier. We got a blank card. We got an insert of, the Iron Horse, Lou Gehrig. Is it not numbered? Brock Farmer and Anthony Renato. All right, Chris Sale, Jose Abreu, got Jimmy Fox, Green, Starlin Marte, Salvador Perez. We got aficionado of Jose Abreu for the White Sox, Andy Wilkinson, and Thomas Tellis. There are two hits per box, and I think everybody knows they got the Babe Ruth relics in here, and I believe a cut auto as well. Cal Ripken, Harmon Killebrew, got Robinson Cano, Paul Goldschmidt, Miguel Cabrera frame. Okay, these are not numbered. Some of them may be numbered, but this one's not. There's two frames per box as well. Corey Kluber, Phil Klein, and Lisarito Bonilla. All right, Bob Feller, Anthony Rizzo, Gary Richards, Elston Howard, Nap Lajoie, got Blank, got Johnny Bench. This is Hot Slugger, Hall of Fame Slugger, Jose Pereira, and Brian Mitchell. Alex Gordon, Dave Ortiz, Lloyd Wanner, Miller Huggins, Michael Brantley, and our first hit is Brandon Finnegan for the Royals. Auto, two colors. This is numbered 153 out of 299. See that? Kansas City, Bryce Spence, and Steven Moya. Adrian Gonzalez, Lefty Gomez. I think some of these are also short prints. Mel Ott, Yu Darvish. We got a mini of Pee Wee Reese. Pee Wee, a mini for Pee Wee. Michael Taylor. Mike, cannot pronounce his last name. Maikel Franco. Maikel Franco. All right. Adrian Beltre, Adam Jones. We got John Lester, Jonathan LaCroix, Jonas Cespedes. We got another blank card. The Georgia Peach, Ty Cobb, Jock Peterson, rookie base, and Nick Tropiano rookie base. All right, Jim Gilliam, Gregory Polanco, Yadier Molina, Willie Keller, Lloyd Wanner, Ichiro, Kyle Ryan, and Eric Jokic. So we got one more hit coming up. All right, Jose Fernandez, Gabby Hartnett, Warren Spahn, Tris Speaker, and we got a low numbered 31 out of 99 Charlie Blackmon for the Rockies. This is not the hit. This is a numbered frame. Excuse me. Purple. Some of these frames are numbered. This is 31 out of 99. You can see it. There it is with my uncut nails. Charlie Blackmon, Corey Kluber, Alexander Claudio, and Andrew Chaffin. All right, Joe Mauer, Jake Arrieta, Edwin Encarnacion, Dave Bancroft, Thurman Munson, got a blank. Got Harmon Killebrew, Hall of Fame sluggers, Reimer Liriano, and Michael Taylor. All right, Gil Hodges, Chris Davis, Kyle Seager, Stan Musial, got Ryan Braun, and we got a 1 out of 99 of Mr. Braun. 10 out of 99. Didn't see that 0 there. 10 out of 99, Ryan Braun, bat piece and jersey, I believe, and it's also framed, which is nice. All right, and Lane Adams and Javier Baez. So that's the 2 hits. Got one more pack, and then we'll go to the second box. Frankie Frisch, Josh Donaldson, Roberto Clemente, Yasiel Puig, and we got another mini of Brian Buxton, Rosny Castillo, Edward Escobar, and Kyle Lobstein. That's for box number 1. Hey, box number 2. All right. Eric Hosmer, Manny Machado, Michael Brantley, Mel Ott, Kenny Vargas, got the K originals of Jose Abreu, unnumbered, Melvin Mercedes, Yoman Rodriguez. Corey Kubler, Lou Gehrig, Yu Darvish, Yoenis Cespedes, and we got Buster Posey, 7 out of 99. Sorry about the focus. 7 out of 99. There it is. 7 out of 99. Just a framed orange auto. And we got Lou Gehrig again, Ryan Rua, and Matt Cesar. Charlie Blackmon, Brock Holt, Lefty O'Doul, Justin Upton, Yadier Molina, blank, Corey Spangberg, Kenny Vargas, James McCann. All right, Colin McHugh, Carlos Gomez, Jonathan LaCroix, Jim Gilliam, Willie Cam. Got another blank card. Daniel Norris, Christian Walker, and Brandon Finnegan. All right, Bobby Thompson, Gregory Polanco, Gabby Hartnett, Walter Alston, Tony Lazzari, and we got a mini numbered of Sterling Marte, 58 out of 99, and relic, very tiny, 58 out of 99, Marte. And Carlson Smith and Terrence Gore. Babe Ruth, Edwin Concepcion, Ted Williams, Sonny Gray. We got another mini of Rusney Castillo, Sultan of SWAT, Babe Ruth insert, not numbered, RJ Alvarez, and Matt Barnes. McCutcheon, Puyol, Bancroft, Davis, Santo, Blank, Darvish, Aficionado, Soler, and Brown. So these packs them open right. Okay, Dickey, Abreu, Fox, Keeler, Spawn, and 14. Nice hit. Let's see what it is. It's 41 out of 99. It is Ken Griffey Jr. It is just a relic. Not too bad. One color for the Mariners. Right, this is Seattle. Yep, Seattle Mariners. 41 out of 99. Ken Griffey Jr. And Dilson Herrera and Corey Spanberger. Alright guys, another pack. I believe those are the two hits. Still got the frames. Anthony Rendon, Killebrew, Speaker, Munson, Mini of Renato, The Big Hurt, Rivero, and Corsino. Ichiro, Springer, Howard, Ortiz, Musial, Blank, Kershaw, May, and Castillo. All right, Felix Hernandez, Warner, Gomez, Braun, Clemente, Ichiro, Clark, and Graveman. And last pack for box 2. Drysdale, Lester, Puig, Bogarts. We got a frame of Madison Bumgarner. This is not numbered. Stargell, Lamb, and Norris. Alright, box number 3. No, not yet. South Bay, not yet. Ariata, Hodges, Howard, Ortiz, Huggins, Blank, Castillo, Brown, and Pompey. Warner, Gomez, Brantley, Ott, Hosmer, Johnny Bench, Farmer, and Ronaldo. All right, Bob Feller, Anthony Rizzo, Gary Carter, Hosmer, Nelly Fox. That's a bad picture of him. Blank, we got Taylor, Castillo, and Clark. Sorry. Alex Gordon, Manny Machado, Lou Gehrig, Miguel Trout, Mr. Padre Tony Gwynn, Kendall Graveman, and Jack Lamb. Gonzalez, O'Doul, Tulowitzki, Frazier, and we got Rusney Castillo frame, unnumbered, Cabrera, Daniel Norris, and Christian Walker. Jim Beltre, Adam Jones, Justin Upton, Jose Abreu, Starlin Marte, Mr. Blank, Jose Abreu again, Brandon Finnegan, and Carson Smith. Frankie Frisch, Lester, Darsvish, Cespedes, and we got Jacob Ellersby, 38 out of 99 frame for the Yankees, in blue. Uh, Castillo, Wilkins, and Tellis. Blank, Dustin Pedroia, Dallas Keuchel, Jonathan LaCroix, Jim Gilliam, Yadier Molina, Blank, Ichiro, Phil Klein, and Lisaverto Bonilla. Charlie Gegringer, Gregory Polanco, Gabby Hartnett, Willie Keeler, Warren Spahn, and we got Aaron Sanchez, 25 out of 99, framed auto and two color for the Blue Jays. 25 out of 99. You can see it there. Perea and Mitchell. Bryce Harper, Edwin Carcion, excuse me, Trispeaker, Thurman Munson. We got a mini of Michael Brantley, Cleveland. Got Reggie and Bryce Brents and Stephen Moya. Yeah, Breakers is always jumpy. I'm also broadcasting through Ustream, and it's a lot more stable. I mean, if you want to check it out over there. Jose Fernandez, Jimmy Fox, Harmon Killebrew, Salvador Perez, Robinson Cano, and we got another Aaron Sanchez, another auto, the same guy. This one's not framed. This is 32 out of 299. So another auto from Mr. Sanchez. Terrence Gore and RJ Alvarez. Joe Mauer, Richards, Goldschmidt, Naplojoy, McCutcheon, Frank Robinson, and Matt Barnes and Jorge Soler. And that's it, guys. The last box. Let's see. All right. Pack number one. Duke Snyder, Corey Kubler, Elston Howard, Lloyd Warner, Miller Huggins, Blank, Big Papi David Ortiz, Nick Tropiano, and Kyle Ryan. That's what happens when you're tired. You can't even open a pack. There you go. All right, Colin McHugh, excuse me, Jason Hayward, Yasiel Puig, Xander Bogarts. We got a Bill Dickey frame, unnumbered. Yasmin Thomas, Kenny Vargas, James McCann. Carlos Gomez, Bobby Thompson, Gil McDougall, Freddie Freeman, got Willie Calm, Blank, Eddie Murray, Dilson Herrera, and Corey Spanenberger. Babe Ruth, Eddie Matthews, Danny Santana, Walter Alston, Tony Lazzari, and we got another mini of Gary Carter. Nice little thread over there for the Mets. Sorry about the focus, but this is number 52 out of 99. 2 out of 99 for Gary Carter for the Mets. Rivero and Corsino. McCutcheon, Chase Utley, Ted Williams, Sonny Gray, mini of Chris Davis, Jorge Soler, Trevor May, and Rusney Castillo. All right, Lefty Gomez. Got John Lester, Michael Brantley, Mel Ott. We have a Carson Smith rookie, 1 out of 99. This is numbered. Insert 1 out of 99 rookie insert for Carson Smith for Seattle. Freddie Freeman, Eric Jokish, and Alexander Claudio. All right, Charlie Blockman, Jonathan LaCroix, Yu Darvish, Jonas Cespedes, and we got Max Scherzer, 51 out of 99. Frame 51 out of 99. Giancarlo Stanton, Andrew Chaffin, and Reimer Liriano. Brock Holt, Bill Dickey, Jim Gilliam, Gregory Polanco, Yadier Molina, blank, Eddie Matthews, Michael Taylor, Lane Adams. Anthony Rendon, Gabby Hartnett, Edwin Concepcion, Willie Keeler. Got a nice hit coming up. Warren Spahn. This is 12 out of 25. Harmon Killebrew from Minnesota. Frame jersey piece. 12 out of 25. Baez Escobar. All right, Ichiro, Bancroft, Speaker, Munson, mini of Brock Holt, Baez rookie, Kyle Lobstein, Chris Bassett base rookies. Springer, Felix Hernandez, Chris Davis, Kyle Seager, Stan Musial, blank, Mariano Rivera, the Sandman, Melvin Mercedes, Yorman Rodriguez. And the last pack is, won't open. All right, there it is. Don Drysdale, Josh Donaldson, Johnny Cueto, Ryan Braun, Roberto Clemente, Mike Trout, Ryan Rua, and Matt Scuser. And that is it, guys. Thank you very much for joining. I will get these cards shipped out to you within the next 2 days or so. And that's it. I think. Thanks again, and I have a football break coming up on Thursday. If you guys are interested in that, on my eBay. Thank you, and have a good night.